In this video I'm going to teach you how to knit the knit stitch. And the knit stitch is the stitch you most frequently both see and use in knitting. So to start off, we will hold our work in our left hand. And I will wrap the yarn over my index finger and hold it in place with my middle finger, like so. And then I can just drop the remaining yarn behind our work. And I will use the right needle as the working needle, and that means we're going to transfer all of these stitches to our working needle when we're done. So I'm going to pull the stitches up so that they're closer to the tip. And then I'm going to take my right needle and knit the stitches in the front loop. And that means that we're going to take the needle through the stitch like this. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. And we're always going to knit our stitches in the front loop. So take the needle inside the stitch, pick up yarn from the back, and the yarn goes under the needle and around. And then I'm going to take my index finger on my right hand to just hold the yarn in place so that it won't fall off the needle. And then I'm going to take the yarn with me back through the loop, like so. And then I'm going to slip the stitch off the needle, like so. Let's do it again. The needle through the front loop, pick up the yarn from the back, from beneath and around, hold the yarn in place with our index finger, through the loop, slip the stitch off the needle. One more time. Needle through the front loop, pick up the yarn, through the stitch again, and slip the stitch off the needle. So now we have knitted 3 stitches.